Desi Ghee is rich in healthy fats, particularly butyrate, which supports gut health and reduces inflammation. It contains fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are essential for immune function, bone health, and skin nourishment. Desi Ghee has a high smoke point, making it a stable and beneficial choice for cooking at high temperatures. In many countries, pure Desi Ghee is not available, but butter is easily available. Making Desi Ghee from unsalted butter is a straightforward process. Start by melting unsalted butter in a heavy-bottomed pan over low to medium heat. As the butter melts, it will begin to foam and then separate into 3 layers: foam on top, clear golden liquid in the middle, and milk solids settling at the bottom. Continue to simmer the butter gently, stirring occasionally to prevent the milk solids from sticking to the bottom and burning. As the water evaporates, the bubbling will reduce, and the milk solids will start to brown. Once the liquid turns a clear golden color, and the milk solids are a deep caramel brown, the ghee is ready. Remove the pan from heat, and let it cool slightly. Carefully strain the ghee through a fine mesh strainer, or cheesecloth into a clean, dry container, to remove the browned milk solids. Let the ghee cool completely before sealing the container. Store the ghee at room temperature, or in the refrigerator, where it will keep for several months. This homemade ghee can be used for cooking, baking, or as a flavor enhancer. Thanks for watching Knowledge Hut. Please subscribe for more videos.